Stillwater, Auckland. The Stillwater ramp is tucked away at the edge of Wairiti River, leading into Karapiro Bay. The ramp is located half an hour from Albany and 20 minutes from Silverdale. There is a ramp fee of $5 for non-members, which can be paid at the club or in the honesty box next to the ramp. The ramp gets strong currents, especially at incoming tide, so make sure you are prepared for it. It is a one-lane concrete ramp with no jetty. There is not much parking for cars with trailers. Also, it is for club members only. Make sure you inquire at the club so you won't get towed. A toilet block with one toilet and a changing room is next to the car park. The club offers a lot of entertainment and plenty of food after a day out on the water.